Okay, so in this video, I've just got this comment here, which I'm going to just show you here. It says, "Thank you a lot, John, but I have one question. When I finish this and watch your other video of how to upload to my hosting, if I want to design another one, do I have to download it again?" And this guy's talking about the video which I put up, which says how to build a website without hosting. That was 2020, but it's still relevant now. A beginner's WordPress guide to a local install. So this is if you want to build a website on your PC without a domain, without hosting. Okay. So he's just asked there, what happens once you've done it all? Do you have to download the whole software again and redo it? And the answer to that is no. And we're going to show you how to do that now. So here I am over on my local install. I'm just going to show you how to just going to log in. Okay, so I've logged into my local installation. Let's just have a look. This is just a real basic blog, a little picture of my cat, okay, sunbathing out in the garden. So what happens if we want to reset this back to normal? So let's say you've built your website, you've uploaded this to your domain, which is on this video. Okay, and then now we want to wipe this back to the beginning so we can start again. Okay, so we're just going to go into dashboard. We're going to go plugins, add new. Okay, you're going to use a plugin called WP Reset. Okay, and it's this one here, WP Reset, the most advanced WordPress reset tool. Okay, we'll just install that. Activate. Okay, get rid of that. So now in plugins, you've got this WP Reset. Okay, we're just going to open WP Reset, and then you've got all these options here. Some of these you will be able to do. Some of them you won't. We've only got the free one. Okay, which is fine for what we want to do. So if we go down to the bottom, you've got here reactivate the plugin, reactivate the current theme. Reactivate all currently active plugins. Okay, you could enable them, or you can just not have them enabled, and it will just basically wipe it all the way back to where we are. Okay, so if you just type in reset, click reset, gives you a warning. Click reset, yes. Right, and there we are now. Back to how it was before. So if we go to the blog now and have a look, okay, we've just got the blog as it was. Okay, so that's essentially a good way of doing it, and then you can start again now, and then go from there. Okay, so I hope that's helped. Really good plugin, that one, called WP Reset. Okay, thanks very much for watching. My name is John Banks. If you found this helpful, useful, please hit the subscribe button, drop a comment in below. I do try my best to get back to all comments. Thanks very much again. I'll see you on the next one.